Hello followers, welcome to another video. This time I bring to you a Nissan Fairlady Z, or also known as Datsun 240Z. In this video I'll show all my work on the body from preparation till the clear coat. And before the video starts, please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. As always, I have started by preparing the body with 600 grit sanding sponge until no shiny parts are visible. This way we avoid many paint damage. Before any paint, this model requires a few modifications, so I have started by masking everything to make sure all mods are aligned properly and ready to be cut. With a nail dremel, I have done all the necessary cuts for what my project requires. With the wood vents done and glued in place, I removed the front bumper and shortened the wood as it was longer than I needed. With all nicely aligned and smooth endings, I filled the inside with some filler to close some of the open parts where was the bumper and to reinforce the body. Once everything was dried, was then time to start the paint job, so I've used light grey primer, 2 light coats with 5 minutes dry time between coats. But the chosen color requires a lighter base, so after the primer I applied some gloss white, again 2 light coats, just to make sure everything was white and ready for the color. For the color, I have chosen blue or dark green blue as Mr. Paint calls it. Was my first time using this paint, but I really do recommend them. Great coverage and really smooth finish, even not giving the best coat ever. Again, 2 coats were applied, this time allowing it to dry for 15 minutes between coats. With all the paint dry, was time for the weathering. As I said on the unboxing video, I will do something with this model that I have never done before. So I will try to replicate some rust effect. Let's see how it goes. Wish me luck. I have used some different shades and paints, but most are red, yellow, orange, brown, black and silver. With some hand cut sponges, just let your hands do the rest.
Just walk right out the door.
Now all the paint is done. There is a few decals that need to be applied on the body, so let's do it.
You drive me crazy out my mind. How'd you do this every time? Now I'm lost without you. Used to be the one I talk to when I'm sad. Can't you see now tainted love is all we have? Our issues run so deep, now when I try to sleep I feel so bad.
I'm pretty happy with the result so far. To finish the body and make sure no damage will happen easily, I gave a nice coat of clear matte varnish. Hopefully it will dry with no shine.
Get paranoid sometimes, 'cause I know that you're in mine, and I'm lost without you. You still be the one I talk to when I'm sad. Can't you see now tainted love is all we have? I wish you'd run so deep, and when I try to sleep I feel so bad.
And with this I end the video. Hope you all have enjoyed. Don't forget to like and if possible share with some friends. See you all in the next video.